Good day, I'm Samuel JB from Employment Relations and Human Resource Management. My group and I will be discussing about collaborating with technology. In a world where the globalization of technology has rapidly increased from 2020, from the COVID year, we see that even small businesses are hustling and busting to make an online presence just to catch up with the technological advantages that we have. We'll be talking about the various learning objectives here, which are collaborative technologies, Web 2 technologies, unified communications, and online environments. Breaking down from our slides that we were given to study, I'll just express it and then further give more details as we go. In 1990, we had first generation, which are email, contact management, and address book, time management, discussion forums. So these are like the more traditional means of technologies which have over time seeped through or across all levels of businesses. Practically, you find like most organizations or even students now have emails or have some sort of presence online. Then we skip to 2000 where we have the second generation, which is instant messaging such as WhatsApp, such as Yahoo Mail chats and stuff like that. In the third generation, here is where it gets interesting. We have blogs, we have wikis, we have social network and profiles. This is why at this point in time people are able to Google about businesses and we find like detailed information about businesses online because of their already established social profiles and presence online. So you can find the details for different organizations from their blog, from Wikipedia posts, which is all sitting somewhere on the internet. Then fourth generation, we have unified communication. In a world where the globalization of technology has been completed or has been established, we can reach out to businesses for all about globally. You can reach out to different organizations from the comfort of your home. You can order and patronize businesses from remote areas and you get services just because of the unification of communication. Thank you. I'm handing over to my colleagues who will further break down the slides and in detailed manner so that we can get our format.
Hi everyone, my name is Michael Akure. I'm from the Department of Human Resource Management. I am here to talk on the module 10, which is collaborating with technology. I will continue from where my fellow teammates stopped. I would like to start with what is collaboration with technology. Collaboration with technology is bringing in technology into the organization or a business setting to make it easier for the employees to work. Also, I would like to give examples of collaboration with technology. First of all, we can have document sharing in which it can be done through electronic mail, which is email. Instead of carrying files, taking files from one location to the other, or even giving delivery services, all these delivery companies to send this file to a certain person, you can make use of it online. You can make use of your email online to send it to people via the Gmail. Another, discussion forums. What is discussion forums? This is an environment where a person or a group of people can pose on issues for discussion to engage in conversations. Here, employee discussion are often used to share company information and coordinate the activities in the company. There are various ways to communicate in a discussion forum. For example, there are moderators, there are posters, and there are readers. What are moderators? Moderators are the people that are responsible for the facilitation and review and guidance for a discussion. They nurture the discussion and also they delete unaccepted posts that could be posted in the discussion forum, for instance. And also they block users who violate the rules. Another are posters. How does posters help? It helps through advertising. It could advertise a particular thing for a firm. Whether they are looking for workers, they could put it online in which they could do ads. There's something called ads, advertising online, on Facebook, on Google. You could advertise based on there are certain positions open in a specific firm or an organization. Another are readers. And then we have instant messaging. What is instant messaging? Instant messaging are also called chats. It consists of real-time text-based interactions over a network. Instant messaging can be useful for quick answers in the workplace by saving a walk down the hall to a colleague's office or a costly phone call to someone in another country. For instance, what this is talking about, now we're in the new age, we're in the 21st century. We have Yahoo Messenger, we have Facebook Messenger, we have Skype, and other various means of communication all over the world, and other means of communication to chat with a fellow employee or with your employer. We also have group decision support systems. What are group decision support systems? It is used or are used for face-to-face group meetings in which each individual is equipped with a computer connected to a shared server, and the group facilitator structures the task during the session. What this is trying to say is where meetings are done online. An example is Zoom meeting, where people or employees and employers can communicate through Zoom meeting, can have meetings online instead of having physical meeting to sort out one issue or the other. My teammate will shed more light on interactive videos in the collaboration with technology. Thank you.
Hello, good day. My name is Oshemi Moses from the Department of Employment Relations and Human Resource Management. And I'm going to be taking into business in technology. Module 10, exactly, that's going to be collaborating in technology. This is where business and technology comes together to work or to coexist in the workplace. So based on what my other colleagues have said, I'm going to be giving the remaining points that has to do with bringing business in technology. Interactive videos. In the workspace, there's things called chats for collaboration. In the workspace, there are things called chats for collaboration. How can we say that these things are? Chats in collaboration, one worker to worker, one businessman to another businessman. Technology helps and develops chats and communication between people within the organization. Another point is telepresence. What is telepresence? And later processed is just like when data is kept and data is later processed into information. Another point is blogs. You may be asking, okay, is it a social media term or whatever? But it can also be brought into business organization, and information and technology can also be enhanced and brought into day-to-day running of the business. Ongoing images, links, whether it depends on the type of organization you run. It can be used in improving your day-to-day business activities. Wikis, or let's say for full Wikipedia, are an encyclopedia of knowledge where different types of information are kept. It can assist the organization based on the type of organization you are operating. For instance, a manufacturing organization can go into different type of wiki documents and gain immense knowledge to help or assist their activities, their day-to-day business transactions, their importation, their exportation, their buying and selling, and generally their day-to-day activities.
Okay, my name is Okeke Kenechukwu. I'm going to continue from my partner stuff. My next topic is social networking, and it has become the de facto platform for collaboration and online asynchronous interactions. So I'll go to the next one, microblogging. That's short posts and other users. Microblogging is like a form of blogging, which the posts are quite short or continuous brief sentences. And another one is virtual worlds. Virtual world is a graphical, or sometimes like a 3D environment where users can immerse themselves and interact with virtual objects. They're like graphical environments, and like all this Pokemon Go. Those are examples of virtual worlds. And unified communications is another topic we want to discuss about. Yes, unified communications integrates like multiple applications and communication channels into a single interface. Yes, so basically integrates multiple channels into a single interface, like the context indicators or universal dashboards. Yeah, thank you.
Good day, my name is Ibe Francis and I'm here to talk about the psychological characteristics of human beings. Human beings have had thousands of years to refine their strategies for productive interactions in face-to-face settings, but only a couple of decades to figure out how to collaborate intellectually. There are common themes that affect behaviors that appears online. Sometimes the tools used in communicating can be very complicated and confusing to use. Number two, reduced media richness. Number three, greater physical distance. Number four, heightened anonymity. Like sometimes when you're texting online, the use of anonymity, like people, you won't know who you're texting at some point, is very, very high when it comes to communication, digital communication. Number five, unfamiliar audience. Like most of the audience you try to send a message through might not be your targeted audience. Like you won't know who to target at all. So